TGT Misra, TGT English is going to teach you the lesson in Indian American Women in Space, Kalpana Chawla from Honeysuckle. Now, gist of the lesson, what you call summary. Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal in Haryana, in India. She did her PhD in aerospace engineering and went to America to join NASA. There she married to flight instructor Jean-Pierre Harrison. She was the first Indian woman who went into space, Cape Canaveral, Florida, United States. She died in space tragedy in 2003. Now, difficult words and their meaning. Word meaning. Astronaut, a person who travels in a spacecraft. Space shuttle, spacecraft. Certified, approved. Pursue, carry on. Mission, target. Observe, see. Journalist, news reporter. Vision, dream. Abroad, foreign. Allow, permit. Astronaut, space traveler. Blast off, bent off. Instructor, teacher. Pretty, beautiful. Crew, a group of persons. Question answer. Where was Kalpana Chawla born? And why is she called an Indian American? Answer. Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal in Haryana. She married to an American, so she is called an Indian American. Question next. Why did she go to the US? Who did she marry? Answer. Kalpana went to the US for higher studies. She married the flight instructor Harrison. Question. How did she become an astronaut? What gave her the idea that she could be an astronaut? Answer. She received a degree in aeronautical engineering and was encouraged by her friends to become an astronaut. Question. What does Kalpana Chawla say about pursuing her dream? Answer. Kalpana Chawla says that one should work hard and put a clear vision before oneself. One could get success if one has the vision and the courage to perform. That's all. Do all these questions and answers in your notebook. Now, next topic, beauty poem. Now, summary of the poem. Beauty gives pleasure to all over senses. It can be noticed in the sunlight, in the trees, in the birds, in the fields, in the flowers. But the poet says that the true beauty lies in good actions, works, and deeds. Word meaning. Food crop, corn. Harvest crop. Hear, listen. Chanting, singing. Earnest, honest. Good deeds, noble action. Happy thoughts, pleasant feeling. Dream, ambition. Now children, one work. Note, write a paragraph about beauty. Use your own ideas along with the ideas in the poem. Do this exercise in your notebook.